If you feel overwhelmed by tasks, deadlines, and team collaboration, then you are in the right place. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, where tech meets clarity. In today's video, we will walk you through on how to use Zenkit, a flexible project management software that helps you plan, track, and collaborate like a pro. Whether you're a student organizing assignments, a freelancer juggling clients, or part of a remote team handling complex projects, Zenkit has something for you. So we will guide you step by step from setting up your first workspace to managing tasks, creating views, and boosting your productivity using Zenkit's powerful features. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Zenkit. On the top corner, you have an option to log in using your credentials. Or the better option is to click the Start for free. What will happen is you will be forwarded to a new page. It's very simple because Zenkit makes the account creation faster by offering you three options. You can sign up using your Google account, or your Apple, or even your Microsoft account, depending on your preferences. Now, after choosing the account that I wanted to use, you will be forwarded here. Now, all I have to do is provide all the information needed, right? At this point, you want to make sure, for example, let's say, and then click the continue button. It helps the Zenkit's algorithm to push forward with the flow that it's going to give you later on. So you can use from Kanban, list, or table. In my case, I'm going to be using a Kanban because of that I prefer. Now, if you want to add your teammates, your team members, or even your client, click on put their email addresses here. But if you want to skip that, it's okay. After which, you'll be forwarded to the main homepage. It takes a little while, and at this point, you want to make sure that you are not using a VPN because that could interfere with the connection. After that, there's going to be a welcome video that you want to continue. If you wanted, you can skip that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, I'm going to skip the tutorial and I'm going to dive right into the platform. And as you can see, now the create button on the top left corner is where you can start something new, like a new task, project, database item, task list, folder, file, document, chat, portfolio, or dashboard. So you have all these at your disposal. For example, if you want to create a new dashboard, all I have to do is select the option, and then you can name it. For example, press enter and click the create button. It's very easy. Okay. Now at this point, the home page is going to be one of your dashboard. It will show you the overview of your recent activity, pinned collections if you have that, quick access to workspaces, and of course, a good place to get your bearings. Now you can switch to classic view if you want, or add a widget if you want it. For the widget, you can start with a custom chart, task completion status by project, and a lot more. How about you click on the tag usage? It will give you the preview, and if you wanted to add that to your main dashboard, click the create button. It will be added to your widget. Okay. Now the search allows you to find any item across your collections and workspaces. For example, press enter, and you would have all of these. You can search by keyword, filters, or advanced queries. It's super useful when you can't remember where something is stored, right? Now, I'm going to click on done because I'm going to show you what Inbox is all about. It's going to be a centralized place for capturing quick thoughts, tasks, or items, which is often used for unprocessed items you'll organize later into a proper collection or list. Think of it like a catch-all or brain dump area. Okay? At this point, if you want to add a new person, there's going to be a three dots icon here. The chat is going to be a space for messaging right here. about specific tasks for projects, which is a good option to collaborate with team members inside Zenkit. It keeps communication connected to your work, unlike switching to email or Slack. The settings and members gives you an option to manage the account settings, right? Notifications, billing, subscriptions, and workspace members. You can also control permissions, invite users, and customize your environment. You see that there is an option here to install on Windows. If you do, you will be forwarded to a new page, right? Wherein you will be asked what platform you want to use the Zenkit. Is it going to be app iOS, Android, Windows for download, for Linux, and Mac OS, depending on your preferences? I'm going to go back to the Zenkit homepage because if you hover down very quickly on this subscription, you can upgrade your organization now. Now that means you will unlock all the hidden features and tools here in Zenkit. If you feel that Zenkit is going to be the tool that will answer your business needs, you might want to push for the option to subscribe to the upgraded plan. And if you want to know the plans and you wanted to compare them, you have these options. The plus is at $8 per month, which gives you all these: Gantt chart until priority support. The business is $21 per month, per seat per month, and you would have to all these perks and benefits. Of course, the enterprise requires a scheduled call with one of the Zenkit's sales expert, so you can get a custom codes, dedicated success management, and from here, I highly suggest you go for the free plan first, immerse yourself, and then go for the enterprise later. Okay? Now, on the recently used is going to be a section for all the files that you have worked on. All tasks gives you all the tasks that you have created, all the files, and of course, again, the all task is a master list that shows every task across all your collections. It can be filtered by due date and a lot more, which is helpful for seeing everything on your plate in one place. The personal views right here gives you the custom views of your tasks, which is only available to you even if the data comes from shared projects. Now, I'm gonna go very quickly on the create section, and again, you have all the sections that you can create: task, project, task list, database item, database folder, until you can also import from Trello, Asana, Wunderlist, Microsoft Odoo, Calendar Sync, and CSV. You have that option to import from other apps because these are the integrated third-party services to make your life easier using Zenkit. And with that being said, and that's a wrap on our walkthrough of Zenkit, the project management software that's flexible, clean, and surprisingly powerful. If you're looking for a lightweight yet versatile alternative to tools like Trello or Asana, Zenkit is definitely worth a try. It's great for freelancers, small teams, and even educators. The learning curve is gentle, the UI is sleek, and the free plan offers quite a lot. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tech tutorials every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.